What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we are in the X5 M60i. I know this is a little bit different of a setup than usual. I'm filming solo dolo here today, so gotta make do with what I got. Today we just threw our full exhaust on this G05 X5 M60i, and I'll tell you what, it sounds fantastic. You'll hear in this video just how dynamic this sound setup is. Driving right now, valves open, just in drive in the Sport Plus mode, and there's a ton of drama out back where we didn't have that before. But throughout this video, we're gonna show you guys all of the sound characteristics. We're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, and obviously you're sitting in here with me. And we'll also wrap up the video by putting the GoPro on the rear bumper to show you guys exactly how your G05 is going to sound with this exhaust setup. We have the stock downpipes paired with our full catback valved exhaust, and it is an absolutely beautiful sound. Even with the valves open, as you can hear, it's really not overbearing by any means. This is somebody's everyday daily driver vehicle, so having that valve flexibility is very important. There's a lot of overrun there. Finally sounds just as good as it looks as well. I'm gonna close the valves now, and I'm gonna show you just how docile and quiet it gets in here. Back into comfort mode. Rolling around right now, valves closed. Just in drive, comfort mode. You would never know that this car has a fully modified, fully custom exhaust system. Sitting at 60 miles an hour right now, 1200 RPMs. Car sounds like it's bone stock. I can whisper to you right now. It's that quiet, which is just that nice. But, you know, this is the M60i, so when you want to have fun, you can open it up. I'll do so now. Drop ourselves into sport mode. Now just listen to how smooth this whole rev range is. I love that whip crack that it gives you on the shifts now. It was there beforehand, but it was nowhere near as loud. that, everyone, is the ultimate G05 X5 M60i experience. If you guys are looking to get this exhaust for your X5, please visit valvetronic.com. You can check out our chat box or call our number, and our customer service team will take care of you and get you set up with the best exhaust option on the market. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for our next BMW project. You're not going to want to miss it.